First is sweet chat ka. Kani is Karkar tag 200 kapin. Kani is from Yuri. Chinilas from Dada. Watch from Dada. Ring from Dada. And tagapuhan from myself. Ang skincare kay natural. Born like this. Ang ilong mama. Shut up. Good after. Good evening, everyone. I am your host for tonight. Good evening, everyone. I am your host, Brother Jacob Williams. I am your host for tonight. So tonight we'll have an exchanging gift called the White Elephant. But first we need of course opening remarks from our dear Lola Flora Hungoy. Okay, Principal Miss Flora Hungoy. Mrs. Flora Hungoy. Sorry.
Thank you, my dear MC. Tonight is the night where we'll hold our exchanging gift for the Christmas 2024. So,
Closing remarks.
I invite you to enjoy our activity tonight. Let us cherish this moment for the next year Christmas. Thank you, Mr. MC.
Thank you, Mrs. Flora Hongoy. It's white elephant. O nga, nanay dua ka, basta may mod? Sa kalan mod? Rules. Nanay dua ka rules. Ang first na rule kay, kung gusto ka sa pag-gift ka sa tampo, tapos this one, tapos this one. Kanya, gusto ka ani. Kanya, ikaw, wala. Highlight this. Put this in line. Wala, kung wala pa ka nakadamat kay bunga, usa maka-steal. Pero, kung nakadamat na kasi mong gift, shoot din nakapuligi. Matuan, mag-skill, kaya na kayo. Pero, pwede na mo man. Gusto ko ka pero, naka-trade na mo. Kung masagot ang kanyani. Gusto ko ito, Laging niya. Wala ka gipakuha pa. Steal. Pero, steal. Sagot ka mine. Pero ako gipakuha. Pero na yung gipakuha. Pwede yung mag-trade. Hi, are you ready to trade your gift to mine? No. Di siya pagkakuha. Okay.
Pero nila pwede yung sugot.
Something round.
Kana.
Something round.
Something big.
Cozy. Something cozy.
Wow! Something weird.
Something weird.
Something weird. Bukan ikaw.
Mabuwag na si Boy.
Simpon.
Mabuwag na.
Ay, ako nabunutan ng gagalingon.
Balik ka.
Wala din ako.
Bukan daw niya yung galing.
Last deal.
Steal daw! Wala na, steal!
Okay.
Unya ra, trade. Tigmanan ra nan.
Something funny!
Funny. Uya, funny.
Sige, bagoy.
Ala. Ha? Wala ka ba? Saan galing? Ano? steal. Wala kayo steal. Wala kayo. Sige, bakit?
Kati. Something red.
Bakit mo to? Dali. Something red.
Kuha na. Something useful.
Something vintage.
Something that organizes.
Something that organizes. Good.
Something soft.
Something off. Shag. Okay.
Ah, estilo na po.
Muli ka na ilay mo steal. Wala na mo guys. Aesthetic.
Battery ka ba?
Wait ako naman. Kanina aesthetic ka?
Something personal. Victoria. Pink.
Something pink.
Ay, estilo ayaw estilo.
Vintage.
Something fetish. Jingle bell rock. Jingle bell chime and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air. Ini